Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a homemade yo-yo. First, gather your materials. You'll need 2 identical circular objects, such as bottle caps or wooden discs, each about 2 inches across. Also, find a small wooden dowel or a piece of a pencil, roughly 1 inch long and 1/4 inch thick. Don't forget strong glue, a drill, and about 40 inches of durable string for your project. Now, let's prepare the yo-yo halves. Take one of your circular objects and carefully drill a small hole, about 1/4 inch in diameter, directly through its center. Repeat this process for the second circular object, ensuring both holes are perfectly aligned. This precision is crucial for a well-balanced yo-yo that spins smoothly. The dowel will soon connect these 2 pieces. It's time to assemble your yo-yo. Apply a generous amount of strong adhesive to both ends of your 1-inch wooden dowel. Carefully insert one end of the dowel into the center hole of your first circular object, ensuring it's flush. Then, slide the second circular object onto the other end of the dowel, pressing firmly to secure it. Let the adhesive dry completely for at least 24 hours. This ensures a durable, long-lasting bond. Finally, let's add the string and finish your yo-yo. Take your 40-inch string and tie a slip knot around the center dowel, making sure it can rotate freely. Next, create a small loop at the other end of the string, large enough for your finger, and tie it securely. Now, your homemade yo-yo is ready. Give it a gentle toss to test its spin and enjoy your new creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.